ReAgent's engineering team recently installed a new 22,000 litre stainless steel mixing vessel. As with any piece of large equipment, there were a couple of challenges getting the tank into place, but the team did a great job. Once the tank was in the correct place, our engineers were able to start the installation process. They fitted the vessel onto load cells and connected it directly to our deionized water ring main. Then they incorporated the facility to dose powders into the tank, as well as filtration. This new tank and all the hard work from our engineering team means we can produce greater volumes of chemical blends to meet our growing demand. We now have 4 tanks of this size, each with individual properties which lend themselves to blending different sorts of chemicals. To talk to us about your chemical blending needs, contact our friendly team today.